The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and install your suction line tubing. We recommend either 1/4 inch OD or 3/8 inch OD suction line for our peristaltic pump. A simple zip tie connection like this will hold the tube securely up inside the squeeze tube and prevent air leaks. On the bottom end, and shipped with every unit, is a tube stiffener like this. They're 11 inches long and have a compression fitting mounted on the top. Make sure that you insert your chemical line all the way to the bottom of the pickup tube like that. And in that way you'll draw all the chemical off the bottom of the pail. If you've purchased your on-premise with a flush manifold option, you'll need to install the manifold on the bottom side of the dispenser. There are 2 screw locations for mounting the bracket that comes with it. It's simply like a paper towel bracket that allows some movement of the manifold as the pump tubes pressurize and depressurize. And as you can see, there is a bit of free movement here, which is good. So install that on the bottom side of your dispenser. Once you've done that, you need to install the squeeze tube pressure side onto each of your check valves mounted across the manifolds. The next thing you'll want to do is install your delivery line like this one, which is clear PVC tubing that'll run under or around and up and over to the supply compartment on the machine. Okay, now once we've connected our peristaltic pump discharge to the check valves, we need to route our discharge line from the flush manifold over to the washer. You may want to strain relief these with zip ties like we've done here, but make sure that the routing for your remote and your SIB over to the washer are done along the wall somehow, fastened against conduit or cold water lines up and over in a secure fashion to the washer. If your on-premise system does not use flush and you're running discrete chemical lines over to the washer, make sure that you form a service loop like that, but with smaller tubing, and then tuck your chemical lines down inside the supply compartment. This way the product flow will be checked at the loop, and when the machine goes into extract, you're not going to be wicking and shaking chemistry down to the washer on